Hello and welcome back. Today we have another concept figure. This is Chewbacca. And yeah, I'm really happy they didn't go for this look. But I do like his huge rifle. And yeah. This Concept Chewbacca was released back in 2007 in the anniversary collection. And yeah, he's lifted straight from the Ralph McQuarrie concept art. He has 14 points of articulation, so yeah, you can pose him in whatever pose you like, and that's good. And he comes with this huge cool rifle and also a blaster here in his holster, so that's nice. I do like the bandolier thing here with the belt and holster, but yeah, I don't like this orc face. But it's a cool figure, and if you have all the rest, you need this one. So yeah, I do love this rifle. It's really awesome. And let's see if I can remove it here. It becomes a little bit warped if you keep it in the hands of the figure, but yeah. It kind of reminds me of the bowcaster without the bow part. But yeah, it's really cool. Wait, we can look at the normal blaster here. Yeah. It doesn't fit as well in that hand, but it fits better in his left hand. So, a cool figure. Always fun to get the concept art figures made, but I don't like the head. And that's about it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will be back with more. Bye bye.